Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass Godrick on Elden Ring. Stormvale Castle, Margit, and even Godrick are completely optional in Elden Ring. You only need 2 great runes to access Leyndell, the royal capital, and you can get them from the other shared barriers like Renala, Randan, Rickyard, and Morgoth. This means that you can skip Stormvale entirely and head straight to New Lurinia, where you can defeat Renala and Ryalucarcia Academy for 1 great rune. Then you can take the Rodden in Khalid or Ricard in Volcano Manor to get another. Once you have 2 great runes, you can access Leyndell without even stepping a foot in Stormvale Castle. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.